Alright, online shoppers. Let's talk about Kelsey and Sincere. Is this the next big thing in fashion, or just another risky click? So, as of April 2026, Kelsey and Sincere looks like a legit online fashion retailer. The website's super polished, the clothes are trendy, and they promise a 30-day money-back guarantee plus free tracked shipping. Their FAQ even lists customer service hours and says they'll get back to you within 12 hours. Sounds pretty solid, right? But here's where you need to be careful. First up, the brand's name is a little sketchy. Sometimes people mix it up with Kelsey Media or Sincere Sally, so make sure you're actually on the right site. Second, almost all their reviews, like thousands of them, are only on their own website. Sure, they're glowing, but without independent reviews from places like Trustpilot, I'm not convinced they're telling the whole story. And then there's the fast fashion template. If you've shopped online before, you know the drill: super cute photos, but sometimes what shows up at your door is not what you expected. Fast fashion or dropshipping stores like this often have long shipping times, and returns can be a hassle. So, what should you do if you're thinking of buying? Here's my cheat sheet. First, look for a padlock in the website's address bar. That means your info is encrypted. Second, test their support team before you buy. Shoot them an email and see if they really reply in 12 hours. And finally, always pay with a credit card or PayPal for buyer protection. Never bank transfer or friends and family. Bottom line, Kelsey and Sincere might be legit, but don't let the cute clothes blind you. Shop smart, watch for red flags, and always protect yourself when shopping online.